YouTube. Today vlog, we back on the toy thing, showing y'all how you can make a toy out of anything. You ain't gotta go to Petco, Tractor Supply, Walmart, spend all that money. Y'all see what she chewing on? That's some deer antlers from a deer I shot like 5 years ago. Actually, there's half of it. She broke the other half. The other half to the rack, that's half a rack. I could have went to Tractor Supply and spent $20, $30, $40 on a toy that she would have ripped into pieces in less than 30 minutes. That right there came out my garage for free. Mom about to get out of work. Go sit down. She about to get off. No, don't touch that. You got your clothes. Close the door. Sorry, I was interrupted, y'all. But yeah, today vlog, letting y'all see. I'm telling y'all, no shade to the people that sell dog toys, you know. Don't get me wrong, you need, dogs need stuff to bite on and for prey drive and, you know, give them something to do. But what I'm telling you is, if you own a pit bull, a bulldog, a big dog, aggressive dog with big mouth, strong teeth, a lot of bite, if you go to Petco and PetSmart and all these pet places getting dog toys, you're gonna waste your money. I'm telling you now. You'll be better off going to Home Depot and get them a 2x4 and let them chew on that. Them toys that look good, if it look good, just because it's cute and it look good to you and you like it, don't mean that your dog not gonna rip it into pieces. See, she got that deer antler. And that give her something to work on. But I'm giving y'all a prime example of things that I utilized for my dog to have as chew toys. So I'm showing y'all things you can do and use to not have to spend money. Everybody can't afford to go spend $30, $40 on dog toys and all that stuff. Just for their dog to tear it up and go buy another one. Everybody can't afford to do that. So for the people like me, they have to wake up every day and work hard for their money. We have to find ways to do things the cheaper route. And the cheaper route is to find stuff. I promise y'all can find something around your house. You probably can go in your garage or closet or something. It's something. But that's today's vlog, y'all. We out.